Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to verify your age on Character AI. So verifying your age helps unlock age appropriate features and ensures your account is set up correctly. So the process here is very simple and only takes a few minutes. So just follow along and I'll guide you through each step. So to get started, open up your browser and go to the Character AI website. And if you already have an account, sign in with your details. And if you're new to the platform, complete the registration process first by filling in the required information and creating your account. So once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main page of Character AI. And from there, open your profile by clicking your profile icon. And after that, select settings to access your account options. So scroll through the settings menu until you find the advanced section. And inside this section, you should see the option to verify your age and then click verify to continue. So a new page or window will appear where you'll see a start button and click it to begin the verification process. And next for that, choose your nationality from the list provided and make sure you select the correct country because this information may be used during the verification process. And after confirming your selection, simply follow the instructions shown on the screen. And once you've submitted everything, you'll need to wait while the Character AI reviews and completes the verification. And in most cases, this only takes a short time, but the exact waiting period can vary. And when it is finished, your account will show that your age has been successfully verified and you'll be able to continue using Character AI normally. So that is all there is to it. The process is quick and easy as long as you follow each step carefully and provide accurate information. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.